Welcome to ST Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the model paper for Physics Inter second year. As we all are waiting for a long time for the Inter second year model papers, but in this model paper there is a good news for the students. The choices are more in SAQ and LAQ. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you will get notified. Let us see the VSAQ session for the intermediate exam. The VSAQs, we know that in VSAQs there is no choices. Answer all the questions. Each question carries 2 marks. All are very short question type. The first is principle of a moving coil galvanometer, magnetic induction. What happened to campus needles at the earth pole? What type of transformer is used in 6-volt bed lamp? Small angle prism of 4 degree. This all questions already I have given in VSAQs in our important question session for physics inter second year. Seventh question, what important fact did Millikan experiment establish? 8th, Einstein photoelectric equation. 9th is forward bias and reverse bias. 10th question, what is skywave propagation? This is about the VSAQs. Let us see the SAQ question. That is, previously the BIE, they asked 8 questions and they asked us to answer 6, but this time you are getting more options. The choices are more. Each question carries 4 marks. Answer any 6 questions. So you are getting 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 up to 22. The choices are more out of 1 to 22 questions. So here you have to just answer 6 questions. The critical angle, formation of rainbow, expression, intensity, Coulomb's inverse law, intensity of electric field at point, capacitance, explain the behavior of dielectric in an external field, and Biot-Savart law, describe the way in which eddy current are used, Bode's limitations, different types of spectrum line and rectifications, and working of full wave rectifiers. So after seeing the SAQ session, you might have think that BIE has brought so many changes in its blueprint. So blueprint we will issue soon, as well as we will also give you some more important questions after seeing this model paper. And the section C is a very important section, but this time you are getting 4. Normally you get 3 answers, 3 questions, out of which you have to answer 2, but here you are getting 23 to 26, 4 questions. Out of these 4 questions you have to just answer 2 questions. Answer in 2 questions. Each question carries 8 marks. All are LAQ questions. First, 23rd question is about closed pipe, and the numerical is also given. Next is bits. Next is the numerical problem. 25th is a Kirchhoff law. 26th is a nuclear reactor. After seeing this model paper that is released by BIE, the blueprint will be different this time, but at the same time I will tell you the important questions I have given. You practice those important questions so that you will get maximum marks in your board exam. Thanks for watching. This is brief about the model paper that is released by BIE. If you have any queries, you can write in our comment section so that we will verify it. Thanks for watching.